Hello, can you tell me your name? 你叫乜名啊 Tristan. Okay, here is Middlesbrough, outside the entrance of the public pool. 我而家咧就同呢一個靚仔喺泳池外邊啦。嗱，靚仔，你叫自己做靚仔啊？靚仔。
My brother's Michael Jackson.
Okay, Michael Jackson. Oh, what? No wonder you're so 靚仔。You call yourself 靚仔。靚仔 ，you say 靚仔。Point at yourself. That means I am 靚仔。靚仔 means handsome.
Kanye West.
Say 靚仔啊，靚仔。靚仔仔。靚仔，靚女 point me， 靚女。Yeah， 靚女 means beautiful lady， 靚仔 means handsome gentleman。
I'm a woman.
等你靚仔咯 ，that's why you point at yourself saying that 靚仔啊。
靚太咧。
Point at yourself， 靚仔。
靚太。
Okay，then I point at myself。Okay， 我係靚女，靚女 means lady。
I'm a lady too.
No, you are 靚仔 so you point at yourself. 佢係靚仔 handsome man. You're a woman, okay. So,
My pronouns are he.
oh, okay. They like to make fun here in the US.
No.
Yeah.
No, my pronouns are.
Your pronoun is she.
No.
So America. Okay. So thank you for being my guest on the YouTube channel. Okay, 謝謝。You say 謝謝。謝謝 means thank you.
Miss, thank you.
Miss thank you. Miss So I am. Okay.
Miss So.
Okay. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.